Electric bidet seats install on your existing toilet in under 30 minutes and connect to a standard power outlet and water supply line. No plumber needed. The key differences between models are water heating method, nozzle material, and which automated features are included. In this video, we cover 5 of the best electric bidet seats currently available on Amazon. The Alpha Bidet UX Pearl is Alpha Bidet's current flagship electric seat, and it was named Best Overall Bidet Seat of 2026 by Yahoo Shopping after a year-long evaluation against competing models from Toto, Brondell, and Bidet. The water heating system is tankless with a ceramic core, which means it heats water on demand rather than storing a fixed reservoir. There is no warm water running out mid-wash regardless of how long the cycle runs. Notice the arced stainless steel nozzle is shaped with a curve rather than a straight profile. That arc minimizes water splashback during the wash and improves positioning reach for both rear and front wash functions. The deodorizer uses photocatalytic technology, a chemical reaction triggered by a light source, to neutralize odors rather than absorbing them. Unlike a replaceable activated carbon cartridge, the photocatalytic element does not consume itself during operation and does not require periodic replacement. The Pure Breeze function mists the bowl interior with treated water between uses, reducing bacterial buildup on the porcelain surface. The sittable lid is rated to 320 pounds, higher than any other seat on this list. An ambient light sensor adjusts the LED nightlight automatically based on room brightness. 2 programmable user presets store individual wash preferences. The rear seat profile sits at just 4.5 inches in height. 3-year warranty covering parts and labor. This is the right choice for most homeowners who want a fully featured flagship bidet seat with the strongest independent recognition and warranty coverage currently available. The Toto Washlet S7A is Toto's current flagship bidet seat, and it offers 2 specific engineering features that no other seat on this list provides: a seamless seat body design and eWater Plus automated bowl misting that activates without any user input. eWater Plus is electrolyzed water treated with a mild electrical current that gives it mild antimicrobial properties. The S7A automatically mists the bowl interior with eWater Plus before each use and after a period of vacancy, reducing bacterial accumulation on the bowl surface continuously throughout the day. The wand is misted with eWater Plus before and after every individual wash cycle. Neither function requires the user to press any button or take any action. Both operate automatically once the seat is installed and set up. The seamless seat body removes the joint line present on conventional bidet seats where the seat meets the main unit. That gap collects moisture, hair, and debris over time and requires deliberate cleaning to maintain hygiene. Removing it simplifies surface maintenance to a standard wipe down. The telescoping nozzle extends further than the nozzle on most competing seats, providing better positioning reach, particularly useful for front wash coverage. 5 wash modes, 5 pressure levels, 5 temperature settings, and a 4-user memory remote are included. The auto open and close lid uses a proximity sensor. The rear profile sits at just 4.1 inches, the slimmest flagship bidet seat currently available. 3-year warranty. This is the right pick for homeowners who want Toto's most automated hygiene system with the thinnest profile and no gap seat surface. The Brondell Swash 1400 delivers the widest range of independently adjustable wash settings of any seat at this price, and it uses a dual dedicated stainless steel nozzle design that most competitors at this price point do not offer. Most electric bidet seats at this price use a single nozzle that shifts position to serve both rear and front wash functions. The Swash 1400 uses 2 completely separate nozzles, one dedicated exclusively to rear wash, one to front wash, each made from stainless steel rather than plastic. Stainless steel resists mineral deposit buildup and bacterial adhesion more effectively than plastic over years of daily use. Separate nozzles also eliminate the shared contact point between rear and front functions, reducing cross-contamination risk between wash modes. The Nozzle Clean Plus nanotechnology surface treatment on both nozzles provides an additional antimicrobial barrier between wash cycles. Water temperature, pressure, nozzle position, spray width, oscillation speed, and dryer temperature are each independently adjustable across 4 or 5 levels. A degree of per setting control that is broader than most competing seats in this price range. The replaceable activated carbon deodorizer neutralizes odors at the bowl rather than masking them with fragrance. 2 user memory presets store individual preferences. The sittable lid is rated to 270 pounds. A blue LED nightlight illuminates the bowl. 3-year warranty. Brondell has been manufacturing bidet products since 2003. This is the right pick for homeowners who want dual stainless steel nozzles and maximum wash adjustability at a mid-range price. The Toto Washlet S5 is Toto's updated mid-range bidet seat, replacing the widely purchased C5, and it addresses the two limitations that buyers of the C5 most commonly cited: the tank-based water heating and the limited user preset count. The C5 used a tank-type heater that stored a fixed volume of warm water. Once that volume was exhausted during a wash cycle, the water temperature dropped to cold. While as the S5 switches to a tankless, instantaneous heating system, the same approach used in the S7A flagship, delivering unlimited warm water for the full duration of every wash cycle regardless of length. That change eliminates the warm water interruption that some C5 users experience during longer wash sessions. The S5 also doubles the user preset count from 2 to 4, accommodating households with up to 4 regular users who each prefer different wash temperature, pressure, and nozzle position settings. Each preset stores all individual preferences and activates from the wireless remote. The physical profile is 19% slimmer than the C5 it replaces, reducing the rear seat height and lowering the visual profile on the toilet. Energy consumption is reduced by up to 38% compared to the C5, according to Toto's figures. A premise T-bowl pre-wetting, e-water plus wand self-cleaning, 5 wash modes with oscillation and pulsating options, heated seat, warm air dryer, deodorizer, and nightlight are all included. Named Wirecutter Top Pick for 2025. 1-year warranty. This is the right pick for existing C5 owners upgrading to tankless heating, or any household of 3 to 4 people who each want their own stored wash preferences. The BioBidet BB2000 Bliss was named Best Bidet Overall by Forbes, and it holds one of the highest verified review volumes of any electric bidet seat on Amazon, making it one of the most buyer-tested options on this list at the lowest price point. The water heating system is tankless, delivering unlimited warm water for the full wash cycle, a feature that distinguishes it from cheaper tank-type seats in the same price bracket. The adjustable stainless steel nozzle handles rear wash, front wash, vortex wash, pulsating wash, and oscillating wash. 5 modes covering the full range of daily wash preferences. The nozzle adjusts in position to accommodate different body types. 2 wireless remotes are included in every box, 1 in black and 1 in white, at no additional cost. That allows the remote to be positioned on whichever side of the toilet suits the bathroom layout, or replaced immediately if one is misplaced without requiring a separate purchase. The heated seat, warm air dryer, automatic air deodorizer, built-in nightlight, and soft close lid are all standard inclusions. Now, the seat fits most elongated toilet bowls and installs without professional plumbing assistance. US-based customer support is available through BioBidet by Bemis. 3-year warranty. This is the right starting point for a first-time electric bidet seat buyer who wants unlimited warm water, stainless steel nozzle quality, and Forbes recognized performance at the lowest price on this list.